Dear customer, we appreciate your purchase and assure you that you have made the right investment. How would you like to skyrocket your affiliate commissions super fast? Affiliate marketing has made businesses millions and ordinary people millionaires. Also, when it comes to monetization, affiliate marketing has been the marketer's bread and butter for as long as we can remember. The practice is as simple as it gets: promote another company's product and get paid in commissions for sales closed. Most importantly, it's significantly less time-consuming when compared to other marketing methods, and it enables you to enhance your paychecks from the comfort of your own home. And as more businesses are going digital, advertisers/brands are also on the lookout for affiliates to partner with. That's why affiliate marketing has witnessed a boost recent years. But affiliate marketing is not that easy. An affiliate work may be a tough one. It's not always stock photo style work from a Starbucks or on a hammock on the Virgin Islands. With so many niches, a number of marketing angles, a variety of products, and a wide range of affiliate marketing verticals, finding the best one might seem like a complex task. To see success with affiliate marketing and make the kind of money that you want to make, you need to follow a proven roadmap to success. You need to know what's working today, not what used to work. Hence, to help you get started on the right foot, we have put together everything with step-by-step instructions in our new HD video course upgrade package. That will show you exactly what you need to do to maximize your profits from your affiliate promotions. Presenting Affiliate Marketing Business Pro HD Video Course Upgrade Package. Inside this, you'll get 30 chapters of step-by-step training videos, which are the continuation videos of the basic package and will show you exactly how to take your affiliate marketing business off the ground and start generating life-changing income. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered everything we think you need to know. After going through our extensive package, you'll learn everything about getting started with affiliate marketing. Like choosing the right niches and products, getting traffic to making sales that can be the difference in a huge 6 or even 7-figure income and not making any money at all. Just click on the button below and grab your Affiliate Marketing Business Pro HD Video Training Upgrade Package at the lowest prices. Take action below. Now.